Hey y'all, Natalie here, and I'm super excited because I just received my first design team box from Paper House Productions. I'm super excited to be part of this design team, and I'm just gonna dive in here because I know you guys like unboxing videos, so bear with me. I'm trying a new video setup, so here we go. All right. First of all, I have already looked at this, except for the papers. I haven't done that. So isn't that the sweetest? They gave me a little note. It says, welcome to the creative team. They also sent me these smileys, which are hand signed. I don't know what it is. But also, they are meant for me to send to my crafty peeps. So I'm probably gonna come up with a system of how I'm gonna send these out. They are good for $10 off an order, y'all. So stay tuned because I'm gonna make sure that some of you guys get these for sure. Isn't that nice? So sweet. You know where this is going. Okay, so look at here. I got it. Okay, so these are the new Mommy Lhey planners, and I'm gonna set this aside because we're gonna talk about this in a minute. So let's go through my scrappy goodies first, okay? So I just kind of went on the website and I picked all of the things that are just me, and then I have photos to scrap with right now. So these are called Sticky Picks Puffies, and these are the cutest little things. You know, I love puffy stickers, and they are so cute, and they're like travel themed, airplane, luggage tag, which I love. And then these are also puffy, maybe more enamel, and they are adventure themed, which again, my jam. So there's a Jeep, y'all. There's a Jeep. What? I love it. So cute. All right, now these are flakes, cut out stickers is what they're called. So I guess they're stickers, but I think they can also be used as die cuts, and they are so cute. Teeny tiny little things. So you can see there's my finger, and I just peeled off my nail. Sorry, please excuse the lack of manicure. Oh, you know me, a Harry Potter girl here. So I got some of these cute little stickers. And I have the perfect pages. I want to document. My sons and I are reading the illustrated version, so we're just about to finish the first one, and then they get to watch the movie. So I'm definitely going to document that, and that's why I got those. And you know, Disney is my jam, and these are so cute. Like, I ordered these and I thought, oh, those are cute, but they're like way cuter in person. They're 3D stickers, and they are like way 3D. And oh, the castle is so cute, and they're gonna go with some things that I already have, and they're gonna go in my 6x8 album that I'm still working on from when we went to Disney at Halloween, and it's so cute. And baseball boy, he signed up again for the fall, so I needed some baseball stickers. And these are kind of, they say enamels, faux enamel, but they're almost like shiny a little bit, so I like that. They're cool, and I like the red and blue. We were on the Cubs last year, so I appreciate that. It goes with my themes too. And some more crafty stickers. These are like enamel and a little bit shiny, which you know we like for rustic sparkles. So, but those I think will go interchangeably well with these. And I'm gonna have to familiarize myself with the names of the collections exactly because I don't know, but I'm gonna get there. Maybe the papers will say. So I haven't opened these, but I'm about to. Oh, you know what? This paper would say. So those are just outdoors, I think is the name. Into the Woods, maybe? Into the Woods is the collection, yeah. Okay, so this is a whole collection pack, and it's called Southwest Adventure, and I need to focus on finishing our trip last year from where did we go? The Grand Canyon to Arizona, which was amazing. And we went to a few other places while we were out there, but I just thought that this would go really well with those pictures. I'm doing an 8.5 by 11 album, and so I'm kind of pumped about this. So these are cute little stickers. I really like these, and these are reminiscent of the Paper House Productions products that are my favorite, with the little stickers, and sometimes they have like clips on them and stuff. They're cute. A good basic, I like that. Oh, and some pockets, because I'm doing pockets too. Awesome. Oh, and 2 of everything, I really like that. I love a good topographical map. I think this is what this is. I love that. And it's almost like wood grain a little bit too, so I like that. And more pockets, awesome. And some crack. I love the mustard color. I'm going with a craft theme, so my background paper of all of my layouts are craft, so the mustard goes really well with that. And the purple too. Oh my god, this is so perfect. We went to Antelope Canyon, which is a slot canyon, and I could probably guarantee you that's where this photo was taken for this paper. So that's super exciting, because for sure we'll use that. Always love a good Aztec print. Love, love, love. And cacti and green, all my favorite things. Super pumped about this. And green again. Cute, cute. Love the desert. Y'all, going out west was my jam. I loved it. We're already thinking about planning another trip for next fall. So whatever I don't use right now, I can use again. Say yes to new adventures. Yes, please. These are so perfect for my pictures. I literally took a picture that looks similar to this of like the top of the slot canyon. It was so cool. So, also, love to travel. So if you have any travel discussions you want to have with me, you know I'm always down with that jam. And they packaged all the paper that I ordered nicely so that it wouldn't get wet. And they put cute stickers on my box. Okay, so this is a new collection called Explore Your World, and I love these passport stamps. They are so cute. I like the other side. This is my jam. I like this for sure. Cute, cute. You know, I like to scrap all my paper, all my pictures. So I do some pocket pages combined with traditional layouts, because there's just no way I could do traditional layouts for all my pictures. So that's why I like to get these. And these are gonna go really well in my album as well, because obviously we traveled, we did a lot of road tripping. Yes, we love adventure, we love to camp. We just scheduled another camping trip today, actually. That is cute, I love it so much. Oh, I really like the B-side. I'm kind of wishing that I would have got 2. Call of the Wild. Oh, I love those chevrons and rainbow like that. Mountains, super love. Super love, love, love. And wood grain, oh, you know, that's my jam. More road tripping, pockets, full parts. Oh, and I love a good stripe. I feel like stripes are really in right now, kind of like a recycle from back when scrapbooking was in its heyday, or the beginnings maybe, but more like when I first started scrapbooking. That's reminiscent of that, and I'm here for it, y'all. I had to grab a baseball page, and I really love this. I like this side too, actually. So I still have some baseball pictures from the past season that I haven't scrapped, and a trip to our local team to see the Sounds play, the Nashville Sounds. So these are so cute. I love them so much. Oh, I like this too. And green trees, love. Stars. You know I'm probably gonna use that side. And this collection is called Color Washed, and it's been around a minute. This has pretty gold foil. Like, I've had my eye on this paper for a while. You know I love rainbow, and the gold foil just adds a beautiful accent to that. I love that side too. Circles, pretty, pretty. And we just went to the beach, and I'm working on the 6x8 album of us at the beach, so these will be perfect for some of the pocket pages in there. And I love palm fronds. So that's my goodies that I ordered and picked out, and then they sent all of us these new Mommy Lhey planners. And I'm gonna try to keep this pretty short, except for so I'm not a planner girl. Try to be a planner girl. I've tried multiple times to be a planner girl, and I just am not consistent. And I see planners online. I love them. I like to look at the spreads. They're really pretty. And I'm just, well, so that comes to doing it after the fact. So my plan is, I think what I'm gonna do with this, I was initially thinking mini album, but it's huge and it's not mini. And plus, all the pages are the same except for the monthly beginnings. And it's really pretty, but for me and my life with all the boys, it wouldn't be a mini album for any of our events with them, even though I do use flowers on my boy pages, and these are gorgeous, like manly color scheme kind of, but I don't know. It just, that wasn't what I was going to do. So I think that what I'm going to do, look how pretty it is. I'll flip through it while I'm talking so you don't have to see my hands move. This is a pocket too. I'm going to use it more as like a memory planner keeper thing, and I've tried to do pocket pages, and I never did like a weekly project life spread or anything, because again, I'm not consistent and I don't keep up with that. But that didn't work out. I tried monthly traveler notebooks. That didn't work out. And I actually have tried, I tried a different brand of planner that I'm not going to mention on here. And again, I did it for a couple months, maybe, and that didn't work out. But I think I'm going to commit to doing this because my work situation could be changing soon, and carrying a planner with me might be my only creative outlet throughout the day. I might lose my crafty time, which is in the afternoons before my boys get home. Right now, it might become my commute time, actually. So that's going to be a bummer. But anyway, I'm trying to look on the bright side and make the best of that. And I think that carrying this around daily, just kind of a small stamp of a small collection of stamps, printing some photos out. I actually kind of have a fun idea of how I want to print 4x6s, but like do collages and do skinny photos. I don't know, I've seen a couple of scrapbook pages like that. But anyway, we'll go and look through I guess these are called dashboards right quick. So cute. I really love the color scheme of this. The purple and the green and the blue. It's unique, it's different, and don't be turned off when I say purple. A lot of people don't love purple. It's more of an eggplant, and it's super cute. It's very adorable and it's different. It's not something that I've seen around. Hey babe, you got this. So, and I might just kind of like see where it takes me. I might sit down with a project to start on in this. I like that, that's cute. And kind of like see what it transforms into. And guess what? I might put on my planner to set aside a certain amount of time every week to devote to this planner, so that I can ensure that I am making it and kind of try to be a little more consistent. I don't know how you planner girls do it. So this is cute. Plan a beautiful life. I love this like triangle confetti, and this is like gold foil. So throughout this, on these pictures that I'm showing you, there's like gold foil accents and stuff. Like this is gold foil. It's hard to come across. So real quick, coming to the end. So cute with the coffee. And it's all undated, and so you can do whatever. It's begin it whenever. I love that. That's so pretty. So almost done here. Girl boss. Hashtag goals. My hashtag goals are just staying at home, but so here we go. Some cute little stickers. I really like those to do those little banners. Stars. So even if I'm not going to use this as a traditional planner, I still can totally see myself using all of this. And all the holidays, months, and different fonts as well. And these cute little stickers that match the planner. So cute. I can't wait to play with that. I'm gonna have to do a little brainstorming. Feel free to leave comments and let me know what you think I should do with it. Keeping in mind my lack of consistency. And I can't wait to start creating with all of these products for you guys. So fun. I'm going to be able to make so many layouts with all of these goodies. Thank you so much to Paper House Productions, and stay tuned for some $10 off your order coupons. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.